Today we're watching how to top up your PaperCut MF account with a prepaid card online through the use of our new payments connector, Cilantro, available in Australia. First, purchase a prepaid card from the front office or cashier. Then navigate to the PaperCut MF client interface and enter your details. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one. I'll show you how to make one now. First, click Create New Account. Then you'll just enter your information. Choose a username and password. Please note, your admin may decide to prefix usernames that a user created with something like the word guest, in which case your username will be the word guest followed by a dash and then your entered text. When you're done, hit register. You'll be assigned an identity number and a PIN number. These will be emailed to you. Make sure to take note of this somewhere before navigating away from the page, as you might need these details to log into some devices. Then click Login and use your new username and password to gain access. So you can see on your summary dashboard that the balance is at $0. You will have purchased a prepaid card with a unique ID and credit amount. We're going to go ahead and click Redeem Card. Then enter the card number and hit Redeem Card. Then click back to your summary page and you'll see your balance has increased. And that is how simple it is to top up your PaperCut MF account online using Cilantro. Want to learn more? Head to tacotechnologies.com or talk to your PaperCut MF reseller today.